Adapters. Adapter connects a tip and a shank to a holder. When taper specification or diameter of the tip, shank and holder do not match, it can be mounted by attaching the adapter in the middle. Available in a variety of lengths, it is useful for adjusting span of the machine stroke. Taper adapters with hex head are available in many taper specifications, and useful for adjusting tapers. Easy to remove with hex head design and also hardly gets damage. The cap tip type taper adapter connects a cap tip and a shank. A cap tip of a different diameter can be used without replacing the holder and shank. Suitable for Phi 9, Phi 12, Phi 13, Phi 16 cap tips. Screw adapters are widely used for gun arms of stud welding machines and welding robots by attaching on a point holder. We have PT screw type and NPT screw type. Please choose the proper specification. It is useful for adjusting the span of the machine strokes and preventing breakage of tapered parts and threaded portions of holders and gun arms.